Hi, I'm David, the founder of Properti Edge, and we're on a mission to revolutionize property ownership by harnessing the power of AI to provide smarter and more intuitive insights for investors and owners. Whether you're an investor, owner, or both, our platform has powerful tools to help you get better financial outcomes from property ownership. Let's dive into our current offerings. Have you ever wondered how much you can realistically spend on a home? Our What Can I Afford tool provides a personalized budget taking into account your income, savings, and other financial factors. It's much faster than a mortgage pre-approval, and it helps ensure you won't be blindsided by unexpected closing costs. Navigating multiple mortgage offers can be overwhelming. Our Compare Mortgages tool simplifies the process by providing clear, side-by-side, apples-to-apples comparisons. You can easily identify the best deal based on rates, fees, and other less obvious but potentially costly terms. Real estate is local, right? So if you're moving to a new neighborhood or city, finding the right real estate agent and mortgage broker is crucial. Our Find My Match tool connects you with pre-screened professionals whose work style aligns with yours. Leverage can be a powerful tool to unlock higher returns, but it's important to use it wisely. Our Financing Strategy Advisor helps you optimize your leverage based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. In upcoming videos, we'll delve deeper into each of these tools, showcasing their capabilities and how they can benefit you. As I record this video, we're developing an AI property advisor. This cutting-edge tool will provide personalized insights, forecasts, and guidance to help people earn better returns and de-risk property ownership. We're also building a property return on investment calculator to help people measure the performance of their property, compare properties, or compare property to other asset classes. Stay tuned for more exciting updates as we roll out our product roadmap.